I 3D printed dragon scale pauldrons for my cosplay. Look at this. Giant dragon scales. And they sit like this on the shoulder, and they're movable and flexible, so they can move independently. And I made these from the dragon scale design that I made for the chainmail shirt. These ones. So these will be made into a kind of shirt thing, like this. And I need to print a set for down here. But then I will have a full cosplay with the 2 pauldrons and the dragon scale shirt. And they just look like this when they're big. And I made a round one for the arm part. And these are all printed on fabric. So they don't adhere to each other. They're independent and move without any problems. So I'm very excited to find the right dress for this and get them sewn on to see what it looks like for my cosplay for the sci-fi con I'm going to, where I'm also going to be selling my 3D prints. Very exciting. What do you guys think? Should I publish this as a file? The pauldrons and the chainmail or the scale mail that I designed? Would you like that? Let me know.